Great, glad to see you again. As you know, I'm trying to show you guys how to maintain your cars without having to spin an arm and a leg. I wanted to show you how to clean your mag wheels. I've got a Lincoln, and of course they're always getting dirty. I've tried a lot of products, trying to get them clean. Really couldn't find anything that did a really good job until I found this stuff called Eagle One Mag Wheel Cleaner. I was really surprised, and I wanted to share with you how in a short time it can get your wheels looking like this to this. Watch how I do it. Eagle One is an aggressive rim cleaner with an acid-based etching formula to remove that tough brake dust and grime that lands on your wheels. So we're going to spray a generous amount on the rim, trying to get into all the nooks and crannies as much as possible. And try not to get that on the tires. It is caustic a little bit, so you don't want it on there too long. So give it about a couple of minutes. Once a couple of minutes have gone by, go ahead and take a clean rag and just wipe all the nooks and crannies as best you can. Use a soft rag. I use sort of like a towel rather than a t-shirt type. And just get in there and just wipe it all off. It comes off really, really easy. You'll see in a second we may have to put another application on here. Yeah, let's spray a little more on there. And again, just trying to get into all those areas where the spray didn't get into. I usually go around the rim once and then kind of work my way on the insides. Again, just getting in there and working in the nooks and crannies. This only takes about 3-4 minutes at the most. But your tires or your rims look like they're brand new. Okay, now that you've got pretty much all of it wiped off, you still have the spray residue. Like I said, it's a little caustic, so what you want to do is you want to give it a good rinse off after you're done wiping it. Yeah, just hose it off with cold water. And then once you've got it rinsed off, just towel dry it. Again, just removing any excess residue that was left there, and wipe off your tires. And then usually when I get my rims done, I like spraying some Black Magic Tire Wet. Makes your tires look nice and dark and wet. Usually I get some on my rims, so I usually wipe that off, and then I just go around the tire. Doesn't that look great? It sure looks a lot different from when I first started. Anyway, it's really good stuff. Let's see what it'll look like before. Wow, what a difference, huh? Try this stuff on your rims. It makes your rims look brand new. Okay guys, check out my other videos where I can show you how to fix it yourself or make it yourself. We'll see you at the next video.